Alright guys, here we're heading back home. You gotta be careful with these guys. Oh, he's mad. He's taking off his shirt. Oh, bro. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be doing a review on my Tien Springs. For those of you guys who are interested in getting springs, want to know the difference or anything like that. I've had these Tien Springs over 5,000 miles over the course of 5 months. I put in around 1,000 miles in my car every month, and I wanted to show you guys what it was like, because I recently just bought some new coils that should be coming soon, and I wanted to give you guys a review on the springs before I remove them, so you guys know the quality and things like that. So before I begin, I know a lot of you guys are interested in how much it dropped the car, because I know some of you guys just get springs simply to lower the car, not really focus on performance. I mean, not performance, you know, ride quality and things like that. But now with these new coils, I am gonna focus more on ride quality, because that's a little bit of something I want, and a little small drop. I know a lot of you guys are probably like, I just want a small little drop, and that's how I was, trust me guys. But as you go on, you keep going like, oh, I want more of a drop, and it's kind of like this ongoing domino effect that you want to keep going lower until you're just touching the ground, and then you can't go any lower. But let me show you guys how much it dropped. So if you guys look here, here is a picture of my stock G35 heights, a side view. Take a look at the wheel gaps and like how it is. Try to take a good picture, and then now take a look. So this is gonna be a side view of my G35, this, and then let me show you guys the gaps individually. So the front is what lowered the most. The front lowered. I used to be able to put around 3 fingers, I believe, on my G35, and if you guys want to go back to the day where I put my Tien Springs, I show you guys the wheel gaps and everything. So I used to be able to put 3 fingers. Now I could only put one finger. So it dropped around two fingers length, which is about an inch, like this much, about an inch. It dropped about an inch, and that's what it says, and this is fine. When I get my coils, I think I'm gonna stay at this height. This is perfect height. I don't want anything else. I don't want to go any lower with my fronts. That might change, I don't know, but I think this is perfect, because that scrapes very little, except that curve. That's what ripped my lip right here. That's what ripped it. Now the back is what the problem is. The back said it was gonna drop about 0.75 inch, so I'm assuming maybe a finger's length, but I guess it did what it did. I used to fit 3, now it only fits 2, and it only dropped 1 finger. I guess that's 0.75. But it's still big, guys. It's still big. I want this lower, and you guys can tell when I take pictures, things like that. Even when I put the tire letter, you can seal the wheel. You can see the wheel gap, and that's not cool, man. So we have to. This is what's been bothering me past 2 months. I've been saying like we need to freaking drop this. So we're gonna drop this a little bit, and you know, make this a little bit more fit, so then the G could be stands out, you know, static life. So there you go. The back didn't really drop. The front did drop about an inch, and it's noticeable, and you'll feel it. You'll scrape in some places, but it's perfect height in the front. But that's the deal with Tien Springs in regards to height adjustment and how much it dropped and things like that. Now let's step inside the G35, and let me talk to you guys more about ride quality and what I felt and the difference. Don't mind, before I get on the road, I like to put on my secret shades. Coming in a little bag too. Like we're low on gas. Let's go put some gas and get on the road. All right guys, so a bit about ride quality in regards to the Tien Springs after 5,000 miles. I'm gonna be frankly honest with you guys. I really cannot remember the ride quality in stock form. It's been 5 months, and kind of get used to this. I should have done the review quickly after I got the Tien Springs, so I can't really be exactly sure, but I do remember some things that I do want to share with you guys. When I initially first got my springs installed, I did notice the car feel lower. Like you can feel it be more planted to the ground a little bit. Just felt more easy to maneuver. You felt more safe turning, doing some more aggressive turns. Maybe it could have been like a psychological effect. You know how they call it the placebo effect, where you think it works but it doesn't really actually work, so things like that. So it could have been a placebo effect. We don't know, but I did feel I'm just telling you guys what I felt. It did feel more planted and things like that. Another thing that I did feel the car bounce way more. So the car did start, you know, getting a little bit more bouncy. Whenever there's like bumps, you almost get out of your seat, not going to lie. You almost get out of seat when they're more like some big bumps. You almost get out of your seat. And if you guys look at the video where I installed my tire lettering, you guys, I did some clips of my car from my third person point of view, and you guys can see the car bump up and down as it's rolling down. It's really jumpy, as you guys can see. One of you guys actually commented it's a freaking jump house, and you know, it sometimes does feel like that, not going to lie to you guys. Do a small little pull before we get gas, because why not? Dude, honestly guys, I freaking love this car, man. It's freaking awesome. I love it. It's been super reliable to me. That's why I don't really do like, oh, G35 has a problem, oh, this has that, oh, this happened. You know, like, the car has been extremely reliable to me, and I want to give, you know, credit to like the maintenance guys. You guys really got to be on top of your game when it comes to maintenance. While we're at the stop, I want to give a quick shout out to myself for this honeycomb carbon fiber center console. Hope you guys really enjoyed this byproduct here that came out. It's really nice. I really like it. And I just got my ceramic coating in. Both my ceramic coatings. I need to put some on this ASAP. I will be making a video on that real soon. I need to put ceramic coating. And also another, probably the audio is a little bit, I have to speak a little bit louder since the camera's farther away. But another thing I wanted to talk to you guys about, that was you know, as far as ride quality, things like that. I talked about the height adjustment, how much it lowers and things like that. But I want to tell you some things to be cautioned about. As your ride lowers, I want to tell you guys some things to be cautioned about. So even though it only drops an inch to the front and the back, you don't really feel it, so you're not really gonna scrape through the back. I haven't scraped through the back. That hasn't been an issue at all. But the front, that 1 inch that does drop, I know you guys are thinking, wow, 1 inch, wow, that's not even a lot. 1 inch is a lot, guys. When it comes to car dropping, when it comes to car dropping, 1 inch can be significant. Now this 1 inch, you'll feel it right away, guys. Speed bumps, things like that. You can even sometimes go straight forward. You don't even have to go sideways. You can go forward, but you have to go super slow. And if you want to go a little bit faster, I do recommend going sideways around the speed bumps, and you can clear it. But if you go too fast, and I think this is due to the springs too as well, when you go to the side and you go a little bit too fast, you'll clear the bump, but when you come down, since it's a bouncy spring, it'll bounce all the way down, kind of like slamming it, and you will scrape. Your bumper will hit the floor. So that's one thing, you know, it's bumpy and it's low, so gotta be careful with all that. At the gas station, let's see if gas station is cheap today. He's mad, bro. That guy just almost hit him and now he's mad, bro. You gotta be careful with these guys. Oh, he's mad. He's taking off his shirt. Oh, bro. That guy was smart for staying in his car, man. Oh, now he's consoling him. He's saying it's all right. Let me get off. $4.17. Not bad. Another good day. As we get to work here, we're very close to parking the car. I wanted to tell you guys something that came up to my mind. I should have told you guys this, but when I bought the strings, I did not pair these up with any sports performance struts. So these are the stock struts, just with the aftermarket Tien Springs. Let's do a nice little pull here. You see, I push it and it just like kind of gradually goes. But if I do the 3-step method, it always shoots up. Watch. Oh shit! Hello, hello, hello. Hey. Hi. You're taking the bus? Yeah. I'm taking the bus too. I'll be right here in a bit. Did the bus leave already? No way. Guys, I completely missed the bus. Here once again, I gotta pull out the 1000 horsepower to the wheel engine. Yeah. let's get to school now. Like I said, guys, that kind of concludes the review on the Tien Springs. Kind of a summary about what I said before. Ride quality, it's a little bouncy. Height adjustment, it lowers 1 inch in the front, 0.75 in the back, but it's really unnoticeable and you won't really feel it in the back. But the front you will feel, you will scrape in some places. I just ordered some new coilovers, so we'll be expecting a new review on that, and I will be doing the review on those a few days after, so I know what to compare it to, the Tien Springs and then the coilover, so I'll have something to compare it to. So that'll be that. More to come soon. Like I said, the trunk, things like that, all that comes, everything's coming soon. Everything, a lot of stuff is coming soon. I've been ordering a lot of stuff and nothing has been coming, so not everything's coming all at once, and so we have a lot of videos to shoot. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, but like I said, I'll catch you guys at night for some night POV driving, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to give this a like. Catch you guys in a bit. All right, guys, here we're heading back home. We got a movie to catch at exactly 10:30, and it's like 9:30, and we're like 30 minutes away. We better zoom by. 3-step method gets you there quick. Ready? 1. There we go, baby. Let's go. Peace out, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Make sure to drop a comment. What did you guys think of the Tien Springs, if you guys had them? And if not, get ready for some new coilovers and a lot of new stuff coming in. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.